15 lakhs in Japan. International caregiver jobs now open. 80 plus candidates already placed. Visit us today to know more.
Kejing pej benya yakikot kisla na kebentar Elekshon MP Rajya Sabha na Meghalaya, lepen long ha Meghalaya Assembly Secretariat, haka kendai tere ujelio Jarjar arpunrio, bat kikot kisla jong James PK sang mau kertong ke NPP, la syam baki long ki bebet babiang. Ya kejing pej benya lapet the returning officer but Secretary ke Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Malthus S. Sangma. Kumban sukado bo James udah kertong monlang ke Meghalaya Democratic Alliance 2 borok kawai. Ulawan ban tap kerteng haka pratarik julio Jarjar arpunrio, na kebentar ke election ke ban long haka khat pratarik julio Jarjar arpunrio. Da kejing bom don unu wepat banya aireng, bat bakal Liang Pyrshah bakentop ya ke All India Trinamul Congress bat ke Voice of the People Party ru kisngap Jarjar halor ke nik election, kumta ki jenge keran bo James unsyukur sok ya kejing job kala ya cekman. Ke MDA2 ke dan ya ke number ke basan puai ngot ki MLA kata lai pulai ngot naga National People's Party kentop yau lampang bat sembut lampang ke ar ngot naga United Democratic Party UDP mar ar ngot naga Hill State People's Democratic Party HSPDP Bharatiya Janata Party BJP bat ar ngot ki MLA Klamseng naga Liang Pyrshah ya ke ba om syam la yo jing tip lakin sim benta na em haka election ki dan kendai ngot ki MLA kata ke All India Trinamul Congress bat ke Voice of the People Party.
As part of the official process, the scrutiny took place today, and the officers of the returning officer's office, they checked all the necessary documents which I had submitted during the course of my nomination filing, and everything was found to be in order, and accordingly the scrutiny has given the go ahead. There is a due process, and the due process, the next step would be the last date for withdrawing nominations, which is on the 11th.
So, following that, on the same day, the RO will declare.
No, that is of course not something for me to comment on. That is, the prerogative of the returning officer.
So of course, no plan to withdraw the candidature since all supported by all the parties.
No, not at all.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata I ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi.
Lawan Rajya ling ba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.